Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com with another report from Giga Berlin. Thanks to our friend Tobias Lindh, we have a very interesting video coming from Giga Berlin that was posted yesterday, and we have an idea of what is going on. And it's basically, I'm going to tell you what happened in the week ending July 12th at Tesla Giga Berlin. So what we have new reinforced concrete beams that were placed. I'm going to explain what reinforced concrete beams mean in a moment. And then we have first walls were already built. We have new concrete mixing plant was built and unloading railway station that was already prepared. So we have reinforced concrete beams. I was looking online to see what reinforced concrete beams are, and it says reinforced concrete beams are structural elements that are designed to carry transverse external loads. The loads cause bending moment, shear forces, and in some cases torsion across their length. Thus, steel reinforcement is used to take up the tensile stresses in reinforced concrete beams. It seems a little complicated. I'm not a construction expert, but that's what Tesla is doing, and Giga Berlin is going at full force. I read that some people were asking if remember I said that unloading railway station was prepared. Some people asked our friend Jurgen in comments on Twitter if Tesla is going to use the rail to ship the Tesla Model Y and other cars that it will build at Giga Berlin throughout Europe. And Jurgen said yes, it looks like, it appears that Tesla is going to use railway to ship cars throughout Europe. And I think I also read Tobias writing that Tesla is building the second concrete mixing plant at Giga Berlin. Apparently there is a lot of work to do, and Tesla is building the second concrete mixing plant. So, friends, everything are going at an immense speed at Giga Berlin, and we're looking forward to seeing the shell very soon, maybe in early September or October. Friends, Tesla started small not that long ago. However, it has grown into an industry giant. When Tesla chose Giga Berlin, many thought the company was either flexing or joking around. However, Tesla has proven many times that one should take it seriously. When Elon Musk said he would make Tesla, actually, even while being goofy, Elon Musk means business in any time. And in its quest to transition the world to sustainable energy, Tesla is very serious, has been proving to be very serious. The challenge that many saw Tesla issue to Europe's automaker is misunderstood. They didn't think Tesla will really challenge the German giant automotive industry. Tesla isn't saying, I'm going to come to Germany and steal all of your customers, as many perceived the challenge to be. No, it's more critical than that. Tesla is demanding that Europe's automakers wake up before it's too late, not for their business, but for humanity. Tesla is seeing basically evolve to electricity, or the end will be coming. By setting up a plant in Germany, Tesla is bringing its mission into the front yard of the European automakers and won't be ignored. The fact that Volvo bought a Tesla Model Y a few days ago to reverse engineer shows that at least one automaker is listening, which is a good sign. While the Model Y will be a revolution in automotive body engineering, Tesla's presence in Germany through Giga Berlin will also continue to speed up the EV revolution worldwide. What do you think about this video, friends? Let me know. I think Tobias has done a great job and presenting what's happening at Giga Berlin. Thank you, Tobias. Friends, please, this is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and also ring the bell when you subscribe, as I'm going to have several very interesting stories today. Have a great rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other and enjoy the rest of the video. See you soon.